Sitting on stiletto, talking about the Leto, talking about the women looking like they fucking lotto, talking about they looking like they sipping on Escato, and I'm talking about I'm in it everything with them hoes, holla. Anytime we do it, young brawler, we be stepping in the building doing it like dollar. Everybody knows us like we up on Letterman, proving it cause you know what we making that cheddar, man. And when we spit it, we do it real legit. I be doing this for the ladies that be feeling XY chromosomes looking like they shitting, but you know what, you fucking shouldn't. Step to the motherfucking mister. Talk about the glistener. Talk about I'm looking like a motherfucking hitting ya up in the face with the bass. Anytime we do it with that mace. Cause it's pro fresh in the building, no concealing. Anytime we do it, you know we mass appealing. Holla at your boy Young Guala on the ceiling. We be doing this like that Stilton salad. Let us be crispy, do it like you hadn't. Taking bites out of the game, you chasing carrots. And I ain't talking about necklaces, I be talking about, nigga, you looking selfish. And you never making money. We be doing this cause we doing it like stunting. Doing it like hunting for the fucking paper. Do it cause you know what, we the skyscrapers.